Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off app notifications on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. From the main screen we have to go to Settings and then to Notifications. Here you can find App Notifications section. You can click on it and here you have the list of your apps that you have on your phone, and you can turn them off on notifications from these apps, of course, by clicking on this button. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to know more about your Galaxy A55 5G, let's search for more videos on our channel from this series and let's see each other in one of them. Bye!